So what we have here, this is chapter 2, question 19. And what I've done so far is just copy the information from the textbook. The question reads, the following table shows 4 rows from a frequency distribution table for a sample of n equals 25 scores. Use interpolation to find the percentiles and percentile ranks requested. So we can see that we don't have the lowermost row or rows of the distribution because the cumulative frequency is here, is 4, and the frequency of this lowest level is 2, which means that there are 2 scores that are smaller than 4.5, the lower real limit of 5. And we see that the cumulative frequency only gets up to 72%, which is 18 divided by 25. So we don't have the uppermost part of the distribution either. So the first question, 19a, asks, what is the percentile rank for x equals 6? And what we need to do is use the process of interpolation. It may be tempting to say, okay, well, 6, and you read across. But you have to remember that this interval is from 5.5 to 6.5. So what we do, step 1, is we have to find the interval width of x and the interval width of the percentage column. And we also know that the percentile rank, whatever number we get, has to be somewhere between 16 and 36. Because 6.5 is associated with a percentile rank of 36, and 5.5 is associated with a percentile rank of 16. So for the width of x, what we do is 6.5 minus 5.5, and we get the width is 1. The width of the percentile is 36 minus 16, which is 20. That's step 1. Step 2, what we need to do is find out how far down into the category of x is the score of 6. So the upper limit is 6.5, the lower limit is 5.5, and we want to get down, so this entire piece is 1.0, and we want to get down to 6. So what we do is 6.5 subtract 6 equals 0.5. Step 3 is finding the corresponding amount on the percentile side, so step 3, and that involves, we want to get halfway down, 0.5 times the size of the category, the width of the category. So we go 0.5 times 20, and that gives us 10. So we know that we have to go 10 units down on this other category because the top of the category is 36, the bottom of the category is 16. So we know that this is 20, and we're trying to figure out what is this value. So if we go down 10 from 36, that's step 4. And what we do is 36 minus 10, which is equal to 26. So a score of 6 is equal to the 26th percentile.